Shut up, Bucky.
All right, guys, we're here at Grillin Greeks. Here we go. And who do we have here today?
We've got George here.
How are we going,
Hi,
George?
George. How are you, George? I'm good. I'm good.
It's here.
George is nursing a hangover.
That's it.
He
Good
had
on
his
you,
wife's
George.
40th last night. So, yeah, he's nursing a hangover. But we're here today to celebrate. What are we celebrating, Paula?
We're just going to come and eat. That's all we're doing. We're going to have a couple of cars here and just come and eat. That's all we're going to do.
Perfect. Well, we've got all the gyros is on. It's ready to go. Perfectly marinated here for everyone. And if you can make it down to Grillin Greeks Coburg, come down, or any of the other stores. But we're looking forward to seeing you.
Beautiful. All right. Now, there's one special thing about your gyros, the way you guys cook it. And I'm talking about your coals.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, so we've copped a lot of flack on this, but no, we cook on charcoal, and we use a Paraguayan charcoal called Quebracho branch, which is a great charcoal. It's a natural charcoal, and it gives flavour to the meat also. And we use that consistently, and we love it, and everyone loves the flavour.
That's it, mate. Something a little bit different. So the charcoal, it's chemical free as well, isn't it?
Natural charcoal.
Okay, so guys, it is a natural charcoal. So there's no added chemical flavours to any of your beautiful succulent chicken and lamb, which we're going to have a look at quite soon. All right. Beautiful. All right, let's go in and have a bit of a look.
Perfect.
All right, come on, lead the way.
Down, Georgie.
Shop. Look at that. Huh? Come on, let's go have a look. Good morning. All right, guys, this is the magic.
Come and have a look. We got
Hey,
Aki.
good morning.
We got Aki the Greek here.
All right, Aki.
Aki the Greek. We're
Oh, look
ready.
at that, guys. Look at that.
We do it in store.
Yep.
So everything's done in store. It's kept for a couple of days.
Yep.
So we leave it in the fridge for a couple of days to marinate and infuse the flavours.
Yep.
And but everything's done in store.
Yeah. That's awesome. All right, mate. This is the best. Now, how you going? All right. Staying nice and warm.
Nice and warm. And I'm ready to cut.
Ready to cut, huh?
Yeah.
Look at that, huh? Yeah, George, you're missing out.
George's missing out.
All right. Now, you guys do catering as well, don't you?
We do. So for any functions, birthday, any kind of function you have, don't hesitate to call the Coburg store, the Kilo store. We'll provide numbers later, but we do everything from meat to pizzas to salads to chips, anything you can think of for all your catering needs. Don't hesitate to call us.
All right. So how do we get in contact with you?
You can call the shop.
Yep.
You can email us on admin@thegrillinggreeks.com, but you're best to call the shops direct and have a chat to the manager in the store at the time.
All right. What's your number?
I don't know.
Come on, George. What's your number?
Oh, hold on.
That number, George. What's your number? All right. Well, looking for the number. We're going to have a look at some of this. All right. You're going to do the first cut now, are you?
Yes, I'm going to have first cut. And they're welcome.
Look at that, huh?
The best souvlaki in Melbourne.
It is actually.
It is.
It is.
I can say it.
You know what I like about this too? Proper souvlaki made by Greeks.
That's right.
Yeah, that's exactly right. That's why I call me Aki the Greek.
Come that side. All right, what's your number, guys?
All right, so Paula, at the Coburg store, we've got 9989 2899.
Yep.
And at the Kilo store, we've got 9310 9756.
Okay. All right, guys.
Call us anytime.
Beautiful. If you want, rewind that. It's spitting it. Rewind it. If not, you can look it up on Facebook as well. You guys are on Facebook?
Facebook, we're online. If you can't call, definitely email. Just give us a few days notice.
Yep.
But we can satisfy all your catering needs.
All right, beautiful. All right, how much notice do I have to give you?
At least 2-3 days.
Okay.
Yeah.
2-3 days.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
All right. So you guys do like weddings, you do whatever
Any
occasion.
function for any amount of people. There's no minimum, there's no maximum, but we cook in store and everything's done fresh.
Okay, beautiful. That's what I like. All right. Now, apart from the
think the boys here.
apart from the gyros and souvlaki, what else do you guys cater?
So we could also do skewers. We have a lot of demand for skewers. We do lamb and chicken skewers.
Yeah.
We do your Greek salads. We've got halloumi. We've got saganaki. We've got zucchini chips. We can do whatever you want.
All right, beautiful. So it's not just the meat; you can do anything you want.
That's right.
All right, I love it. All right, beautiful. Let's do another close with this. Is he going to do the first cut now? You reckon?
Yeah, he's going to do it now.
Come on, this is the.
I'm gonna do the first.
Oh, the boys are here. Here we go. Come on.
Chicken.
All right, this is how it works. Look at that, mate. This is old school, yeah? Now, I'm Italian.
I'm Greek.
You're Greek.
Yes.
And I have to admit, the Greeks do the meat better.
Yeah. And Italian do the pasta.
Yeah, we do the pasta. Look at that, huh?
That's the best cut and meat in Victoria.
No, the first cut is always the best. That's why I wanted to film this. Look at that. Look at those crispy bits on the outside. Beautiful. All right, amazing. Thank you.
No problem.
Look at that. Huh? The best. It goes in the warmer.
That's it.
That's the best. The best one there is always the first one. All right. Thank you. Look at that. Beautiful. What do you reckon?
Love it.
What do you reckon? Huh?
It's too good. It's too good. Make the list. I always said the souvlaki was nice, but we never made the list.
All right, go. That's it, beautiful.
Next Sunday, guys. Next Sunday.
That's it. Next Sunday, we've got a bit of a car meet happening. Come and support local business, Grillin Greeks. What's your address?
11 Hossack Avenue in Coburg North. Pop
Perfect.
down from 11 onwards and have a feed.
That's it. All right, now if we can't come next Sunday, what are your hours?
So we're open Wednesday to Sunday
Yep.
from 11 to 9. So don't pop in on a Monday or Tuesday.
Okay.
Unless you want to help with prep.
So you guys are pretty much working every day, but you're open to the public Wednesday to Sunday, 11 in the morning till 9 o'clock at night.
Yeah, that's here in Coburg, or if you want to go to our Keilor store, we're open every day from 11 to 9.
Perfect.